Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We will be explaining about cryptography. My name is Dina Febrianti and my members is Muhammad Asidik Nobel Degree, Ilham Pratama, Salahuddin Al-Ayubi, Roni Alvaredo, and the last Zulfadri Surya. He is the scan that study mathematics and computer technique used to maintain confidential, integrity, and audit. The primary goal of cryptography is to store combination and information so that only other parties can access.
Objective and cryptography designs. The main goal of learning cryptography is for students to understand the basic concept of cryptography, including encryption, description, algorithm, cache, and basic techniques for maintaining data security. The second encourages students to understand the importance of search and development in the field of cryptography, including how this technology continues to evolve to understand the next Bang Saludi.
Cryptography algorithms are mathematical or procedural that use pure information by converting it into a residual to understand form. They play a crucial role in protecting data and confidentiality, security, and authenticity.
The programming language we use is Python. We will use Visual Studio Code as our IDE. Visual Studio Code is a lightweight open source code editor. We will also use the Tkinter framework to build the user interface front end of our project. All this tool allowed us to develop the ease of use of Python with the power and flexibility of our chosen IDE and framework. That's all the explaining of the programming language IDE and framework that we use our PBL project. Then continue by Ilham.
Okay, a database is a set of data that is managed in such a way that contain terms are interrelated so that it's easy to manage. UI designer is someone who ensures that the display of the user interface in application correspond to the purpose of the application project that had been developed. In the encryption process, the Vernon cipher algorithm uses the stream cipher method in which the cipher derives from the source result between simple text bit and key bits, while binary permutation is performed by reversing the binary code and its character. For the next.
All right, here I want to explain the flowchart of the application that we intend to make. Open the cryptography application, enter ID and password. ID and password will be stored in the database. Wait for successful authentication. If an error occurs, the wrong ID and password will appear. If the ID and password are correct, it will be directed to the homepage. Press the logout button provided to exit the main page. Next. First, enter input or upload a plaintext file containing a collection of letters. Enter a key with the same number of letters as the contents of the input or file. Next, press the encrypt button to start the encryption process for the text. After that, it will be saved into the database. And next, download the data, which will be saved as a TXT file and is called ciphertext. Finish. The ciphertext file which contains a collection of letters that have been encrypted. Enter OK with the same number of letters as the contents of the file. Next, press the decrypt button to start the decryption process for the text. After that, it will be saved into the database. And next, the data which will be saved as a TXT file and is called plain text. Next, every action taken will be recorded as data and stored in the database. After that, several parts are taken from the historical data and encryption or decryption data. Next, the data will be sorted and displayed in the space provided in the application. Finish. Here is the UI UX display for our application.
Division of Text, Dina Febrianti, Group Leader, and Documenter, Roni Alvaredo, Sima Mora, Member Editor, Ilham Tama, Member Front End, and Zulfadri Surya, Members UI and UX, Salahuddin Al-Ayubi, Members Database, Muhammad Asidik, Member and Back End. Thank you, finish. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.